The world is your home, Lord, our heart is your home. A heart full of love, Lord, my heart is your home. We are the children, children of Sai. 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 Satya, Dharma, Shanti, Prema, Ahimsa. Love all, serve all is your call. Love if you can, hurt no one in despair. For you are the Father and we are the children, children of Sai. 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 Kali Yuga Deva Avatara. You have come to guide us all. Sachidananda Avatara. Guide us all, lead us all. Guide us all, lead us all. We are the children, children of Sai. We are the children, children of Sai. Kali Yuga Deva Avatara. We love you, Father, show us the way. Sachidananda Avatara. We love you, Mother, show us the way. We love you, Mother, show us the way. Deva Avatara, Sachidananda Avatara. Kali Yuga Deva Avatara, Sachidananda Avatara. We are the children, children of Sai. We are the children, children of Sai. Kali Yuga Deva Avatara, Sachidananda Avatara. Kali Yuga Deva Avatara, Sachidananda Avatara. Children of Sai. Sachidananda Avatara. We are the children, children of Sai. We are the children, children of Sai.
गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती धीनामवित्रयवतु गणेशाय नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम्।
ॐ नमो भगवते रुद्राय। ॐ नमस्ते रुद्रमण्यव उतोत इषवे नमः। नमस्ते अस्तु धन्वने बाहुभ्यामुदते नमः। यात इषुः शिवतमा शिवं बभूवते धनुः। शिवा शरव्यायातवतया नो रुद्रमृडया। याते रुद्रशिवा तनूरघोरा पापकाशिनी। तया नस्तनुवाशन्तमया गिरिशन्ताभिचाकशीः यामिषुं गिरिशन्तहस्ते बिभर्ष्यस्तवे शिवाङ्गिरित्रतां कुरु माहि गुंसेः पुरुषं जगत् शिवेन वचसा त्वा गिरिशाच्छावदामसे यथा नः सर्वमिज्जगदयक्ष्मगुं सुमना असत् अध्यवोचदधिवक्ता प्रथमो दैव्योऽभिषक् अहेगश्च सर्वाञ्जम्भयन् सर्वाश्च यातु धान्यः असौ यस्ताम्रो अरुण उत बभ्रुः सुमङ्गलः ये चेमागुं रुद्रा अभितो दिक्षु श्रिता सहस्रशो वैशागुं हेडयेमहे असव्यो वसर्पति नीलग्रीवो विलोहितः उतैनं गोपा अदृशन्नदृशन्नुदहार्यः उतैनं विश्वा भूतानि सदृष्टो मृडयाति नः नमो अस्तु नीलग्रीवाय सहस्राक्षाय मीढुषे अथो ये अस्य सत्त्वानो हन्तेभ्यो करन्नमः प्रमुञ्च धन्वनस्त्वमुभयोरात्नियोर्जाम् याश्च ते हस्त इषवः पराता भगवो वप अवतत्यधनुस्त्वगुं सहस्राक्षशते शुधे निशीर्य शल्याणां मुखा शिवो नः सुमना भव विज्यं धनुः कपर्दिनो विशल्यो बाणवागुम् उत अनेशन्नस्येषव आभुरस्य निषङ्गतिः याते हेतुर्मीढुष्टमहस्ते बभूव ते धनुः तयास्मान् विश्वतस्त्वमयक्ष्मया परिभुजा नमस्ते अस्त्वायुधाय नातताय धृष्णवे उभाभ्यामुत ते नमो बाहुभ्यां तव धन्वने परिते धन्वनो हेतिरस्मान् वृणत्तु विश्वतः अथो य इषुधिस्तवारे अस्मन्निधेहितम् नमस्ते अस्तु भगवन् विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय त्रयम्बकाय त्रिपुरान्तकाय त्रिकाग्निकालाय कालाग्निरुद्राय नीलकण्ठाय मृत्युञ्जयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः नमो हिरण्यबाहवे सेनान्ये दिशाञ्च पतये नमो नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यः पशूनां पतये नमो नमः सस्मिञ्जराय त्विषीमते पथीनां पतये नमो नमो बभ्रुषाय व्याधिनेन्नानां पतये नमो नमो हरिकेशायोपवीतिने पुष्टानां पतये नमो नमो भवस्य हेत्यै जगतां पतये नमो नमो रुद्राय तताविने क्षेत्राणां पतये नमो नमः सूताय हन्त्याय वनानां पतये नमो नमो रोहिताय स्थपतये वृक्षाणां पतये नमो नमो मन्त्रिणे वाणिजाय कक्षाणां पतये नमो नमो भुवन्तये वारिवस्कृताय औषधीनां पतये नमो नम उच्चैर्घोषाय क्रन्दयते पत्रीणां पतये नमो नमः कृत्स्नवेताय धावते सत्त्वनां पतये नमः नमः सहमानाय निव्याधिन आव्याधिनीनां पतये नमो नमः ककुभाय निषङ्गिणे स्तेनानां पतये नमो नमो निषङ्गिण इषुधिमते तस्कराणां पतये नमो नमो वञ्चते परिवञ्चते स्तायूनां पतये नमो नमो निचेरवे परिचरायारण्यानां पतये नमो नमः श्रुकाविभ्यो जिघागुंसद्भ्यो मुष्णतां पतये नमो नमोऽसिमद्भ्यो नक्तं चरद्भ्यः प्रकृन्तानां पतये नमो नम उष्णीषिणे गिरिचराय कुलुञ्चानां पतये नमो नम इषुमद्भ्यो धन्वाविभ्यश्च वो नमो नम आतन्वानेभ्यः प्रतिदधानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नम आयच्छद्भ्यो विसृजद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमोऽस्यद्भ्यो विद्यद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नम आसीनेभ्यः शयानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः स्वपद्भ्यो जाग्रद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमस्तिष्ठद्भ्यो धावद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमः सभाभ्यः सभापतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो अश्वेभ्योऽश्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः नम आव्याधिनीभ्यो विविध्यन्तेभ्यश्च वो नमो नम उगणाभ्यस्त्रिगुंहतेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो गृत्सेभ्यो गृत्सपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो व्रातेभ्यो व्रातपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो गणेभ्यो गणपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो विरूपेभ्यो विश्वरूपेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो महद्भ्यः क्षुल्लकेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रथिभ्यो रथेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रथेभ्यो रथपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः सेनाभ्यः सेनानिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः क्षत्रुभ्यः सङ्ग्रहेतृभ्यश्च वो नमो नमस्तक्षद्भ्यो रथकारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः कुलालेभ्यः कर्मारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः पुञ्जिष्टेभ्यो निषादेभ्यश्च वो नमो नम इषुकृद्भ्यो धन्वकृद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमो मृगयुभ्यश्वनिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः श्वभ्यश्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः नमो भवाय च रुद्राय च नमः शर्वाय च पशुपतये च नमो नीलग्रीवाय च शितिकण्ठाय च नमः कपर्दिने च व्युप्तकेशाय च नमः सहस्राक्षाय च शतधन्वने च नमो गिरिशाय च शिपिविष्टाय च नमो मेढुष्टमाय चेषुमते च नमो ह्रस्वाय च वामनाय च नमो बृहते च वर्षीयसे च नमो वृद्धाय च संवृध्वने च नमो अग्र्याय च प्रथमाय च नमः आशवे चाजिराय च नमः शीघ्र्याय च शेभ्याय च नमः ऊर्म्याय चावस्वन्याय च नमः स्रोतस्याय च द्वीप्याय च नमो ज्येष्ठाय च कनिष्ठाय च नमः पूर्वजाय चापरजाय च नमो मध्यमाय चापगल्भाय च नमो जघन्याय च बुद्ध्याय च नमः सोऽभ्याय च प्रतिसर्याय च नमो याम्याय च क्षेम्याय च नमः उर्वर्याय च खल्याय च नमः श्लोक्याय चावसान्याय च नमो वन्याय च कक्ष्याय च नमः श्रवाय च प्रतिश्रवाय च नमः आशुषेणाय चाशुरथाय च नमः शूराय चावबिन्दते च नमो वर्मिणे च वरूथिने च नमो बिल्मिने च कवचिने च नमः श्रुताय च श्रुतसेनाय च नमो दुन्दुभ्याय च हनन्याय च नमो धृष्णवे च प्रमृषाय च नमो दूताय च प्रहिताय च नमो निषङ्गिणे चेषुधिमते च नमस्तीक्ष्णेशवे चायुधिने च नमः स्वायुधाय च सुधन्वने च नमः श्रुत्याय च पथ्याय च नमः काट्याय च नीप्याय च नमः सोद्याय च सरस्याय च नमो नाद्याय च वैशन्ताय च नमः कूप्याय च वट्याय च नमो वर्ष्याय च वर्ष्याय च नमो मेघ्याय च विद्युत्याय च नमः ईध्र्याय च तप्याय च नमो वात्याय च रेश्म्याय च नमो वास्तव्याय च वास्तुपाय च ॐ हर 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 ॐ नमः सोमाय च रुद्राय च नमस्ताम्राय च रुणाय च नमः शङ्गाय च पशुपतये च नम उग्राय च भीमाय च नमो अग्रे वधाय च दूरे वधाय च नमो हन्त्रे च हनीयसे च नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यो नमस्ताराय नमः शम्भवे च मयो भवे च नमः शङ्कराय च मयस्कराय च नमः शिवाय च शिवतराय च नमस्तीर्थ्याय च कूल्याय च नमः पार्याय च वार्याय च नमः प्रतरणाय चोत्तरणाय च नमः आतार्याय च लाद्याय च नमः शष्प्याय च फेन्याय च नमः सिकत्याय च प्रवाह्याय च नम इरण्याय च प्रपथ्याय च नमः किगुंशिलाय च क्षयणाय च नमः कपर्दिने च पुलस्तये च नमो गोष्ठ्याय च गृह्याय च नमस्तल्प्याय च गेह्याय च नमः काट्याय च गह्वरेष्ठाय च नमो हृदयाय च निवेश्प्याय च नमः पागुंसव्याय च रजस्याय च नमः शुष्क्याय च हरित्याय च नमो लोप्याय चोलप्याय च नमः ऊर्व्याय च सूर्म्याय च नमः पर्ण्याय च पर्णशद्याय च नमोपगुरमाणाय च भिघ्नते च नमः आखिदते च प्रखिदते च नमो वः किरिकेभ्यो देवानागुं हृदयेभ्यो नमो विक्षीणकेभ्यो नमो विचिन्वत्केभ्यो नम आनिर्हतेभ्यो नम आमीवत्केभ्यः द्रापे अन्धसस्पते दरिद्रन्नीललोहिता येषां पुरुषाणामेषां पशूनां माभेर्मा रोमो येषां किञ्चनाममत् या ते रुद्रशिवा तनो शिवा विश्वाह भेषजी शिवा रुद्रस्य भेषजी तया नो मृडजीवसे इमागुं रुद्राय तवसे कपर्दिने क्षयद्वेराय प्रभरामहे मतिम् यथा नः शमसद्विपदे चतुष्पदे विश्वं पुष्टं ग्रामे अस्मिन्ननातुरम् मृडानो रुद्रो तनो मयस्कृधि क्षयद्वेराय नमसा विधेमते यच्छञ्च योश्च मनुरायजे पिता तदश्याम तव रुद्रः प्रणीतो मानो महान्तमुतमानो अर्भकं मान उक्षन्तमुतमान उक्षितम् मानो वधेः पितरं मोत मातरं प्रियामानस्तनुवो रुद्ररीरिषः मानस्तोकेतनये मान आयुषि मानो गोषु मानो अश्वेषु रीरिषः वीरान्मानो रुद्रभामितो वधेर्हविष्मन्तो नमसा विधेमते आरात्ते गोघ्न उत पूरुषघ्ने क्षयद्वीराय सुम्नमस्मे ते अस्तु रक्षा च नो अधि च देव ब्रूह्यधा च न शर्म यच्छद्विबर्हाः तुहि श्रुतं गर्तसदंयुवानं मृगन्न भीममुपहक्तृमुग्रम् मृडाचरित्रे रुद्रस्तवानो अन्यन्ते अस्मन्निवपन्तु सेनाः परिणो रुद्रस्य हेतर्वृणत्तु परित्वेषस्य दुर्मतिरघायोः अवस्थिरा मघवद्भ्यस्तनुष्वमेढ्वस्तोकायतनयाय मृडया मेढुष्टमशिवतमशिवो नः सुमना भवा परमे वृक्ष आयुधन् निधाय कृत्तिं वसान आचर पिनाकं बिभ्रदागहि विकिरितविलोहित नमस्ते अस्तु भगवः यास्ते सहस्रगुं हेतयोऽन्यमस्मन्निवपन्तु ताः सहस्राणि सहस्रधा बाहुवोस्तव हेतयः तासामीशानो भगवः पराचीनामुखाकृधे सहस्राणि सहस्रशो ये रुद्रा अधिभूम्याम् तेषागुं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसे अस्मिन्महत्यर्णवेऽन्तरिक्षे भवा अधि नीलग्रीवा शितिकण्ठा शर्वा अधः क्षमाचराः नीलग्रीवा शितिकण्ठा दिवगुं रुद्रा उपश्रिताः ये वृक्षेषु सस्पिञ्जरा नीलग्रीवा विलोहिताः ये भूतानामधिपतयो विशिखासः कपर्दिनः ये अन्येषु विविध्यन्ति पात्रेषु पिबतो जनान् ये पथां पथि रक्षय ऐलभृदायव्युधः ये तीर्थानि प्रचरन्ति श्रुकावन्तो निषङ्गिणः य एतावन्तश्च भूयागुंसश्च दिशो रुद्रावितस्थिरे तेषागुं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसे नमो रुद्रेभ्यो ये पृथिव्यां येऽन्तरिक्षे ये दिवि येषामन्नं वातो वर्षमिषभस्तेभ्यो दश प्राचीर्दश दक्षिणादश प्रतीचीर्दशोदीचीर्दशोर्ध्वास्तेभ्यो नमस्ते नो मृडयन्तु तेयं द्विष्मो यश्च नो द्वेष्टितं वोजम्भे दधामि त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् यो रुद्रो अग्नौ यो अप्सु य ओषधीषु यो रुद्रो विश्वा भुवना विवेश तस्मै रुद्राय नमो अस्तु ये ते सहस्रमयुतं पाशा मृत्योमर्त्याय हन्तवे तान् यज्ञस्य मायया सर्वानवयजामहे मृत्यवे स्वाहा मृत्यवे स्वाहा प्राणानां ग्रन्थिरसि रुद्रो मा विशान्तकः तेनान्येनाप्यायस्व नमो रुद्राय विष्णवे मृत्युर्मे पाहि तमुष्टुहि यस्विषुः सुधन्वायो विश्वस्य क्षयति भेषजस्य यक्ष्वा महेशो मनसाय रुद्रं नमोभिर्देवमसुरन्दुवस्य अयं मे हस्तो भगवानयं मे भगवत्तरः अयं मे विश्वभेषजो यगुं शिवाभिमर्शनः ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
शञ्च मे मयश्च मे प्रियञ्च मेऽनुकामश्च मे कामश्च मे सौमनसश्च मे भद्रं च मे श्रेयश्च मे वस्यश्च मे यशश्च मे भगश्च मे द्रविणं च मे यन्ता च मे धर्ता च मे क्षेमश्च मे धृतिश्च मे विश्वं च मे महश्च मे संविच्च मे ज्ञात्रं च मे सोश्च मे प्रसोश्च मे सीरं च मे लयश्च मरुतं च मे मृतं च मे यक्ष्मं च मे नामयच्च मे जीवातुश्च मे दीर्घायुत्वं च मे न मित्रं च मे भयं च मे सुगं च मे शयनं च मे सुषा च मे सुदिनं च मे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम् न्यायेन मार्गेण महीमहीषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम् समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
पार्वती नंदन गजानना पार्वती नंदन गजानना पार्वती नंदन गजानना पार्वती नंदन गजानना पशुपति नंदन निरंजना पशुपति नंदन निरंजना पशुपति नंदन निरंजना पशुपति नंदन निरंजना पार्वती नंदन गजानना पार्वती नंदन गजानना पाहि प्रभो मां पाहि प्रसन्ना 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 गिरिजानन्दन शुभानना पार्वती नंदन गजानना पार्वती नंदन गजानना पशुपति नंदन निरंजना पशुपति नंदन निरंजना पार्वती नंदन गजानना पार्वती नंदन गजानना पाहि प्रभो मां पाहि प्रसन्ना पाहि प्रभो मां पाहि प्रसन्ना गिरिजानन्दन शुभानना गिरिजानन्दन शुभानना गिरिजानन्दन शुभानना गिरिजानन्दन शुभानना पार्वती नंदन गजानना जय गुरुदेवा प्रभु साई देवा 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 देवादि देवा प्रणमाम्यहम् देवादि देवा प्रणमाम्यहम् साई देवादि देवा प्रणमाम्यहम् साई देवादि देवा प्रणमाम्यहम् शिव शिव शम्भो कैलासपते शिव शिव शम्भो कैलासपते शिव शिव शम्भो कैलासपते शिव शिव शम्भो कैलासपते पर्तिपुरीश्वर पालय मां पर्तिपुरीश्वर पालय मां पर्तिपुरीश्वर पालय मां पर्तिपुरीश्वर पालय मां देवादि देवा प्रणमाम्यहम् देवादि देवा प्रणमाम्यहम् साई देवादि देवा प्रणमाम्यहम् साई देवादि देवा प्रणमाम्यहम् जय गुरुदेवा प्रभु साई देवा जय गुरुदेवा प्रभु साई देवा देवादि देवा प्रणमाम्यहम् देवादि देवा प्रणमाम्यहम् शिव शिव शम्भो कैलासपते शिव शिव शम्भो कैलासपते पर्तिपुरीश्वर पालय मां पर्तिपुरीश्वर पालय मां देवादि देवा प्रणमाम्यहम् देवादि देवा प्रणमाम्यहम् साई देवादि देवा प्रणमाम्यहम् साई देवादि देवा प्रणमाम्यहम् जय गुरुदेवा प्रभु साई देवा ॐ जगज्जननी साई माता ॐ जगज्जननी साई माता ॐ जगज्जननी साई माता ॐ माता
ॐ जगज्जननी साई माता
अभय प्रदायिनी साई माता
अभयप्रदायिनी साई माता
अभय प्रदायिनी साई माता
अभयप्रदायिनी साई माता
साई माता सत्य साई माता
साई माता सत्य साई माता
साई माता साई माता
साई माता साई माता
अनाथ रक्षकी साई माता
अनाथ रक्षकी साई माता
अनाथ रक्षकी साई माता हे अनाथ रक्षकी साई माता अनाथ रक्षकी साई माता ॐ जगज्जननी साई माता ॐ जगज्जननी साई माता ओंकार रूपिणी साई माता रूपिणी साई माता ॐ जगज्जननी साई माता अभय प्रदायिनी साई माता अभय प्रदायिनी साई माता साई माता साई माता साई माता साई माता अनाथ रक्षकी साई माता अनाथ रक्षकी साई माता अनाथ रक्षकी साई माता हे अनाथ रक्षकी साई माता अनाथ रक्षकी साई माता ॐ जगज्जननी साई माता कोई बोले हरि हरि कोई बोले राम राम 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 कोई बोले दुर्गा काली कोई बोले साई माँ 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 कोई बोले हरि हरि कोई बोले राम राम कोई बोले हरि हरि कोई बोले राम राम कोई बोले नारायण अल्लाह बिस्मिल्लाह कोई बोले नारायण अल्लाह बिस्मिल्लाह कोई बोले नारायण अल्लाह बिस्मिल्लाह कोई बोले नारायण अल्लाह बुद्ध महावीरा। कोई बोले नानक बुद्ध महावीरा। कोई बोले नानक बुद्ध महावीरा। कोई बोले नानक बुद्ध महावीरा। साधु संत फकीरा जाने सब है तेरो नाम। 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 बोल मन अल्लाह मालिक बोल मन साई राम। बोल मन अल्लाह मालिक बोल मन साई राम। बोल बोल मन अल्लाह मालिक बोल मन साई राम। बोल मन अल्लाह मालिक बोल मन साई राम। कोई बोले हरि हरि कोई बोले राम राम। कोई बोले हरि हरि कोई बोले राम राम। कोई बोले दुर्गा काली कोई बोले साई माँ। कोई बोले दुर्गा काली कोई बोले साई माँ। कोई बोले हरि हरि कोई बोले राम राम। कोई बोले हरि हरि कोई बोले राम राम। कोई बोले नारायण अल्लाह बिस्मिल्लाह। कोई बोले नारायण अल्लाह बिस्मिल्लाह। कोई बोले नानक बुद्ध महावीरा। कोई बोले नानक बुद्ध महावीरा। साधु संत फकीरा जाने सब है तेरो नाम। साधु संत फकीरा जाने सब है तेरो नाम। बोल मन अल्लाह मालिक बोल मन साई राम। बोल मन अल्लाह मालिक बोल मन साई राम। बोल बोल मन अल्लाह मालिक बोल मन साई राम। बोल बोल मन अल्लाह मालिक बोल मन साई राम। कोई बोले हरि हरि कोई बोले राम राम। बाल गोपाल जय जय साई श्याम। 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 प्रेम भरो दिल में हमारे साई राम। 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 हमारे साई राम बड़े प्यारे साई राम। हमारे साई राम बड़े प्यारे साई साई राम।
प्रेम भरो दिल में हमारे साई राम।
हमारे साई राम बड़े प्यारे साई राम।
हमारे साई राम बड़े प्यारे साई राम।
प्रेम भरो दिल में हमारे साई राम।
प्रेम भरो दिल में हमारे साई राम।
हम भक्तों के तुम एक साई राम।
हम भक्तों के तुम एक साई राम।
तुम्हारे जगत में बड़ा प्यारा प्यारा नाम।
तुम्हारे जगत में बड़ा प्यारा प्यारा नाम।
संग रहो हरदम हमारे साई राम।
संग रहो हरदम हमारे साई राम।
संग रहो हमारे साई राम।
संग रहो हमारे साई राम।
सदा संग रहो हमारे साई राम।
सदा संग रहो हमारे साई राम।
बाल गोपाल जय जय साई श्याम। शिव शिव शिवाय नमो।
शिव शिव शिवाय नमो।
शिव शिव शिवाय नमो।
शिव शिव शिवाय नमो।
भव भव भवाय नमो।
भव भव भवाय नमो।
भव भव भवाय नमो।
भव भव भवाय नमो।
शिरडिपुरीश्वर शम्भो शङ्कर।
शिरडिपुरीश्वर शम्भो शङ्कर।
शिरडिपुरीश्वर शम्भो शङ्कर।
शिरडिपुरीश्वर शम्भो शङ्कर।
हर हर हराय नमो।
हर हर हराय नमो।
हर हर हराय नमो।
हर हर हराय नमो।
भक्ति शिवाय नमो।
भक्ति शिवाय नमो।
भक्ति शिवाय नमो।
भक्ति शिवाय नमो।
सांब शिवाय नमो।
सांब शिवाय नमो।
सांब शिवाय नमो।
सांब शिवाय नमो।
भक्तिपुरीश्वर शम्भो शङ्कर।
भक्तिपुरीश्वर शम्भो शङ्कर।
भक्तिपुरीश्वर शम्भो शङ्कर।
भक्तिपुरीश्वर शम्भो शङ्कर।
हर हर हराय नमो।
हर हर हराय नमो।
हर हर हराय नमो।
हर हर हराय नमो।
शिव शिव शिवाय नमो।
शिव शिव शिवाय नमो।
भव भव भवाय नमो।
भव भव भवाय नमो।
शिरडिपुरीश्वर शम्भो शङ्कर।
शिरडिपुरीश्वर शम्भो शङ्कर।
हर हर हराय नमो।
हर हर हराय नमो।
भक्ति शिवाय नमो।
भक्ति शिवाय नमो।
सांब शिवाय नमो।
सांब शिवाय नमो।
भक्तिपुरीश्वर शम्भो शङ्कर।
भक्तिपुरीश्वर शम्भो शङ्कर।
हर हर हराय नमो।
हर हर हराय नमो।
हर हर हराय नमो।
हर हर हराय नमो।
शिव शिव शिवाय नमो। जय राम हरे जय राम हरे जय सीता राम हरे।
जय राम हरे जय राम हरे जय सीता राम हरे।
जय राम हरे जय जय सीता राम हरे
जय राम हरे जय राम हरे जय सीता राम हरे
जय कृष्ण हरे जय कृष्ण हरे जय राधा कृष्ण हरे
जय कृष्ण हरे जय कृष्ण हरे जय राधा कृष्ण हरे
जय कृष्ण हरे जय कृष्ण हरे जय राधा कृष्ण हरे
जय कृष्ण हरे जय कृष्ण हरे जय राधा कृष्ण हरे
जय साई हरे जय साई हरे जय साई बाबा हरे
जय साई हरे जय साई हरे जय साई बाबा हरे
जय साई हरे जय साई हरे जय साई बाबा हरे
जय साई हरे जय साई हरे जय साई बाबा हरे
जय राम हरे जय सीता राम हरे
जय राम हरे जय सीता राम हरे
जय कृष्ण हरे जय कृष्ण हरे जय राधा कृष्ण हरे
जय कृष्ण हरे जय राधा कृष्ण हरे
जय साई हरे जय साई हरे जय साई बाबा हरे
जय साई हरे जय साई बाबा हरे
जय साई हरे जय साई हरे जय साई बाबा हरे
जय साई हरे जय साई बाबा हरे
जय राम हरे जय सीता राम हरे अञ्जनानन्दवीरम् अशोकवनसञ्चारम् अञ्जनानन्दवीरम् अशोकवनसञ्चारम् वन्दे अशोकवन संचारम्
भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं गोविन्दं भज मूढमते गोविन्दं भज मूढमते भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं गोविन्दं भज मूढमते सम्प्राप्ते सन्निहिते काले सम्प्राप्ते सन्निहिते काले नहि नहि रक्षति दुःखकरणे नहि नहि रक्षति दुःखकरणे पुनरपि जननं पुनरपि मरणं पुनरपि जननं पुनरपि मरणं पुनरपि जननी जठरे शयनम् पुनरपि जननी जठरे शयनम् इह संसारे बहुदुस्तारे इह संसारे बहुदुस्तारे इह संसारे बहुदुस्तारे कृपया पारे पाहि मुरारे भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं भज मूढमते गोविन्दं भज मूढमते भज शिवतु असतो मा सत्यमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमया.
Om Shri Sai Ram. In order to remember Bhagavan's teachings continuously and to become worthy instruments of our Divine Master, every member has to engage in sadhana, a spiritual discipline which has to be merged with his or her day-to-day life, and every member is encouraged to make his or her family as a unit for such sadhana. Thus, with the view to qualify to become a true member of the organization, the following guidelines are to be followed. Number 1, daily meditation and prayer. Number 2, group devotional singing or prayer with family members once a week. Number 3, participation in Sai spiritual education by children of the family. Number 4, participation in community service work and other programs of the organization. Number 5, regular attendance at the center's devotional meetings. Number 6, regular study of Sri Satya Sai Baba literature. Number 7, the use of soft, loving speech with everyone. Number 8, not speaking ill of others, especially in their absence. And number 9, Narayana Seva. Practice placing a ceiling on desires. Consciously and continuously strive to eliminate the tendency to waste time, money, food, and energy, and utilize the savings for service to mankind. Jai Sai Ram.
My humble pranams at the lotus feet of Swami and a loving Sai Ram to all our brothers, sisters, respected elders, and children tuned in tonight. We pray that with Swami's grace, you and your families are healthy, happy, and peaceful. The announcements for this week are as follows.
Swami says, Sai directs you to recognize the Atma as your closest kin, closer than the members of your family, your blood relations, and your dearest descendants. When this is done, you will never stray from the path of light, which alone can maintain that kinship. Familial attachment operates even against the performance of one's legitimate duties. But attachment to the divine fills that duty with a new dedication which ensures both joy and success. It activates man as nothing else can. It confers on him during the process of doing his duty the highest wisdom. Hence the advice, do not enter the Prakriti, objective world, in the hope of realizing the Atma. Enter the objective world after becoming aware of the Atma, for then you will see nature in a new light and your very life becomes a long festival of love. Divine Discourse, March 1st, 1974.
Gayatri Mantra chanting. We humbly ask all devotees to continue chanting the Gayatri Mantra 3 times a day. And if possible, let us all chant together at 7 p.m. 108 times. Chanting the Gayatri Mantra is one of the most potent forms of seva we can do, as it is selfless and will go to wherever it is needed, unbeknown to us. Prayers for healing. A WhatsApp group has been created to allow devotees to pray for those in need of healing or upliftment. If you have a family member, friend, or know of any person who needs prayer, please contact any of the national devotional coordinators to post the request on this group.
Wheelchair Reuse Program. The National Go Green team would like to thank all devotees that have supported the wheelchair reuse program. With Swami's grace, we have now loaned out 96 wheelchairs at no cost to needy recipients. There is still a dire need for wheelchairs, as sadly the demand is becoming greater than our supply. Devotees are encouraged to continue to support this program by donating their second-hand or new wheelchairs, spreading Swami's divine love to those in need. Please do reach out to your regional Go Green champion for more details. 2026 Pilgrimage Pre-Registration. We are delighted to announce that pre-registration for the Sri Satya Sai Global Council South Africa pilgrimage to Prashanthi Nilayam is now open. This pilgrimage will take place from the 12th to the 16th of July 2026. Devotees wishing to attend are kindly requested to complete the pre-registration form that has been shared with the National Communications. This sacred 5-day pilgrimage will include 3 days of special seating and programs in Sai Kulwant Hall, subject to confirmation from Prashanthi Nilayam. Sri Satya Sai School, Lenasia. The Satya Sai School of Lenasia is our love offering to Bhagavan. Devotees are reminded to please download the Woolworths app and link the Satya Sai School of Lenasia to your rewards profile. Should you wish to make a monthly debit order or a once-off love offering to the school, please do reach out to your respective regional president. This evening, we continue with a talk by Dr. Srikanth Sola on the causes of suffering and how to view suffering as a gateway to deeper wisdom and personal transformation. The focus is on how to navigate hardship with dignity, purpose, and even style, suggesting that the way we handle suffering matters just as much as the suffering itself. In the previous segment, Dr. Sola discussed how relying on the outside world for happiness is one of the main causes of our suffering. In today's talk, he delves into inner causes, that is, our thoughts and desires, and reveals how subtle forms of addiction to phones, social media, thoughts, and emotions quietly drain our life force and disconnect us from our inner peace. We pray that you have a blessed and peaceful week ahead. Jai Sai Ram.
Okay, now let's say something is not happening that you want. Okay, or let's say something is happening to you that you don't want. So one thing is you want something, you're not getting it. Another thing is something happens to you, you don't want it. Let me give you another real example. This was a story was told to me by one of my patients. He was in the 1990s the president of the Sri Satya Sai Seva organization for Andhra Pradesh. This was when there was no Telangana, it was all one state. And he was living in Hyderabad and he had a driver, like many of us do here. And this driver was losing his eyesight due to a particular rare disease. And he went to the hospitals in Hyderabad and they said, you have this rare disease, you need an operation, otherwise you're going to go completely blind, and this is the cost. Now, this is the 1990s, there is no public insurance of any type. Government hospitals didn't have the equipment and the care expertise to do this kind of complicated surgery. So that guy was like, what do I do? You know, even if I work my whole life, I can't afford this kind of surgery. It's like equivalent to my entire life's work. So it just happened that Swami had opened the super hospital. This was 1992. Swami's hospital opened just a few years before, right? So a few months before, sorry. So his boss, who was my patient, said, well, I'm the president of the Satya Sai Seva organization in Andhra Pradesh. I will take you and we will go to Swami's hospital and we will get you cured. You know, so this is what they did. They went to Puttaparthi. They were seen by the ophthalmology department and the doctor said, you have this rare disease. You need a complicated surgery. You need to get it done right away. If you don't, you're going to go blind. But This requires very complex equipment, very expensive equipment, which we don't have here. You will have to go out and get it done elsewhere. What to do? You can imagine this family's plight, right? And his employer was also feeling bad. It just turned out that on that same visit, he got a chance to speak to Swami about the situation. About that, Swami, we came to your hospital in full hope and faith that your doctors would be able to take care of us. But Swami, this is what they told us. What should we do? You know what Swami said? He said, "Nenein chestano, what should I do?" And actually, he said, what can I do? He says, what can I do? He said, ask him to at least do some seva so that my grace can reach him. Okay, so what to do? Okay, the president told his driver back. He couldn't drive by this point anyway, so they went back to Hyderabad and he just put himself into Swami Seva. He got, he was a driver, so he did whatever he could. When there was the tutoring going on for the slum children, he would help to organize things, the chapel stand, or help to clean things up before and afterwards. When there was Narayan Seva going on, he would do all the heavy-duty lifting and that kind of stuff. When there's Gram Seva going on in the village, he was the one to go and clean the drains and do all the muck, dirty work and things like that. And he really got into it. Soon he was singing bhajans in his own style, and he was really enjoying this. And then they got a postcard from Puttaparthi. This was in the days before phone calls and SMS messages. They got a postcard saying, please come to Sri Sathya Sai Institute of Higher Medical Sciences on such and such date for your evaluation in the ophthalmology department. Now, they'd already gone, and then a few months later, they get a postcard saying coming back, but they said, okay, they came back, and the doctor there told them, we just got this fancy equipment. Can we do your surgery on Monday? And he got it done, and his eyesight was saved. So one thing is that when you're suffering, it may be not just the right time for what you want, okay? The other thing is, like this driver, is look at it, is what's missing. Swami, ask Swami, pray to Swami, Swami, what am I not seeing in this situation? What am I missing? What is the growth lesson for me? How am I supposed to learn from this? Your suffering can actually then, like in the case of this driver, be a blessing in disguise. It can be something that helps you to grow, okay? So use your suffering as a driver. Okay. Now, I want to warn you about one thing. Sometimes, I had this really funny incident recently. Someone said to me, Dr. Sola, you told me about self-love, and you know that I always talk about self-love, loving yourself. Swami had told us also, said, don't just love yourselves, be madly in love with yourselves, he said to us. So we talk about self-love so much because this is just one great big reflective universe we live in. Everything we experience is a reflection of whatever is inside. But I'm seeing some people take self-love too far. Well, not everybody. One person did. And what she did is she said, 2 people did this. I love myself so much. Swami loves me so much. I love that guy so much. I'm married. He's married. But the love in me and the love in him, and, So they're twisting the teachings and losing basic discrimination and discernment. Yeah, so don't do this. Yeah, don't do this. Okay, so this is the first part. External things, leave it alone. Okay, if it's not in your control, leave it alone. If it is in your control, it is your duty to do the best that you can for it. If it's not in your control, leave it alone. The second thing I'm seeing, and this is something that Shivani and I talk about a lot, is that your thoughts are tormenting you. So many of you, I see, are getting tormented by your thoughts. You're not having a stable mind anymore. And I look at people and there's like a blank expression in their face. They're looking at their phone. If you see a teenager or a young adult, what do? They will, if you give them something to do, they will pretend to do it only so that you get off your back and then they can get back to their phones, right? This is universal. And the kids say this. Like, you're a teacher, right? You have your kids are allowed phones in your school? Yeah, During the bus? Yes. How about in the classroom? Classroom, no. Good, good. But as soon as they get on the bus, what do? They get back to their phones. Yeah. This addiction to screens, it's turning your brains into mush, really. And that's a non-medical term. There are many scientific studies that actually validate this. Your concentration goes down, your memory goes down, your attention span goes down, your attentiveness goes down. All these things reduce. And what I'm seeing is that, you have external sources of suffering, and then you have internal sources of suffering. That external source would be like that driver going blind, right? It's not really external, but the external source is that he can't get someone to help him get the operation that he needs, okay? But the inner source of suffering are your thoughts, your desires, your attractions. I was reading a book. Remember books? Yeah? Remember we used to read these things? Yeah? It's like, you wipe this down. So I was reading a lovely book called Meditations by Marcus Aurelius. He's a famous Stoic philosopher. He was a true philosopher king. He was one of the last 5 good emperors of the Roman Empire. And he was not meant to be king. It was his distant uncle who was the emperor of the Roman Empire. He was born into a noble family, and he just wanted to do philosophy all day. And he was happy doing philosophy. But because of circumstances, his uncle died, and then the first in line to the throne died, and then somebody else died, and they looked at the person who was next in line, and that guy was like, that fellow's a loser. Who do we know that who's really smart who could become emperor? And they said, hey, how about Marcus Aurelius? They said, that's a great idea. And Marcus Aurelius was like, no way. I don't want to be emperor. I want to be a philosopher. I tell you what, I'll be emperor if you make my co-brother co-emperor along with me. Because he didn't want to deal with all that emperor stuff. He became emperor. His co-brother died. Now he's emperor of the entire Roman Empire, which goes from Britain all the way to Egypt. You know, I mean, I think just managing our small 3-bedroom house is small. This guy was managing such a huge area. And you know what happened to him? His main general committed mutiny. He became a traitor. They had the Antoninus plague. I mean, we thought COVID was bad for 2-3 years. This thing lasted for 15 years, and 5 to 10 million people were killed. The economy crashed so much that Marcus Aurelius went through his palace and he marked all the things that he wanted to sell, and he put it on his front lawn, so that the money that comes from all these things that he got as the emperor would then be used to fund the working of his government. Imagine, they got to that stage. He was married, his wife died. He had 13 children, only 4 of whom made it to adulthood. So this guy had a very hard life. I mean, although he was emperor, it was a tough life. But he always said that, what I'm telling you now, don't allow external circumstances to determine your happiness. But there's something else very beautiful, he said, and this is why I'm coming back to your internal part, your thoughts, your desires. He said, people follow their indulgences. People follow their indulgences the way that cows follow each other. Yes? Is this true? Yes? It's 100% true, no? People follow their indulgences the way that cows follow each other. How do cows follow each other? Blindly. Yeah? Blindly. Just like that. That's how it is. And this is what we're all doing. That's why Swami has given us the, what's it called, that program to reduce our desires? Sealing on desires. And what are the 4 components of this? First one is, don't waste food. Then, time, money, energy. Okay. Yes. So if you can work on all of these. Now, the reason why Swami gave this is what Phyllis Crystal told us, because Swami gave Phyllis an interview on the Sealing on Desires program. Swami said, all you have to do to achieve liberation is to let go of your desires. And then you have moksha. No desires means moksha, mokshaya, the absence of desires. But he said if you did that all at once, it would be too much for you. And so that's why I've given the Ceiling on Desires program, so that you can gradually reduce your desires and then achieve that freedom. So I would suggest to you, actually, let's do it as our homework, is that you go back and re-implement the Ceiling on Desires program. And I would start with this thing, your phones. Yeah, I'm telling you, when I look at youth nowadays, I have no hope. I'm serious. I'm like, there's nothing we can do. There's nothing we can do. And when I look at adults these days, waste. You're wasting your life on your phones, on your tablets, on your laptops. Just delete your social media accounts. Delete them. Don't say, no, I'll use them once in a while. Just get rid of them. Close your phone. Put apps that limit your time. My phone is limited to 20 minutes a day for every app. 20 minutes a day for every app. That's all. My total phone use, including phone calls for work, is about an hour per day, where the average global averages about 3 hours per day. Yeah? And you say you have no time for sadhana. Okay? So the second thing about suffering is internal. Okay?
जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्ति महेश्वर ओम जय जगदीश हरे जय शिवधरा श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपति स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपति आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका अवतारव ओम जय जगदीश हरे माता पिता गुरुदैवं पर्यन्तयुनीवे स्वामी पर्यन्तयुनीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्राशरण ओम जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप साई महादेव सत्य साई महादेव मंगल आरती अंधुको मंगल आरती अंधुको मंगल गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा शांति 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 समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय।
परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थमिष्टार्थं मोक्षप्रदानं बाबा विभूतिं हृदयाश्रयामि परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थमिष्टार्थं मोक्षप्रदानं बाबा विभूतिं हृदयाश्रयामि परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थमिष्टार्थं मोक्षप्रदानं बाबा विभूतिं हृदयाश्रयामि। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। 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 ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्।